Hey everybody, I just want to clarify something. So I recently posted a video called a Screw You mode for the Manticore, since they ran the $500 discount promotion, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I was a little butthurt about that. And I think I made some good points, and some of my viewers made good points. Um, but I also had people send me private messages and stuff, asking me if the Manticore was, worth the money. Um, yeah, it's probably the best machine I've ever used. I haven't used a Deus 2, um, so I just don't know. But I mean, it's up there. Is it better than my etrac? Yeah, I just come to realize that my old etrac um, was a little slow, heavy. Um, didn't have, to be honest with you, didn't have a lot of options on it. I mean, really, once you set most of your settings, you're done. There's a lot of settings I set on there, and I never changed them for all those years. It just ran. But yeah, I'm gonna. I'd been contemplating on buying another E-Track and putting it on a lighter frame, maybe buying a Deus frame and, Frankensteining it onto that. And I just, I just realized that's just stupid. The Manticore is the best machine I've ran. Now, is it worth the $1,700? I still don't think it is. With technology, things getting cheaper, lighter, um, faster. Electronics came down. They normally don't go up. But now, when they had the sale, it was worth that. The $1,200, definitely worth that. And reason I got really butthurt about it was because I was wanting to get the M8 coil, and it's $250. So I wasn't going to do it. I'm just stubborn. Um, I'm just stubborn. So then when they dropped it $500 I got all butthurt because I could have bought two accessory coils for, I didn't pay full retail, but I didn't pay $1,200 either. I think I paid right about $1,450 for it. But still, the point of it. Anyway, so yes, the Manticore is a top machine. Between it and the Deus 2, probably, tied 1-2. There's hardly any difference between performance. I happen to like the display better than the Deus 2. When I looked at both displays, I was going to buy one or the other. And coming from an E-Track and an 800, I just felt like it was better for me to go with the Manticore. And really, I'm glad I did. I just wanted to clarify that. It was just me being butthurt. Machine is excellent. I'm going to start doing some more videos on that machine. And so stay tuned. Hopefully me and Bill, Dirt Fishing, we'll get together and we can, get back to comparing signals. But we've had a lot going on in our lives. And so I think we'll get back to it soon. So stay tuned for some upcoming videos. Thanks for supporting me. Like and subscribe, share my content, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.